Look at all these students at UH-Hilo. Who's your favorite chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, Big Chaka, Big Chaka, Big Chaka. The one. Who's the best chef?
Man in the pan.
Yeah, and this girl is from Japan. Big Chaka. Come on. Yes, sir. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I get something really exciting. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick chicken hekka. First of all, I put in some sesame oil, about 1 tablespoon. Put in some ginger, okay? Okay, so I got some garlic, adding in some garlic. Is I cut up some chicken. See, right over here? This is like boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So here we go. Frying the chicken in sesame oil. All the thing is frying. Slice some carrots really thin. I like to put carrots, but it's going to add some color inside the hekka. Because I'm making everything like super easy, I bought these sukiyaki no tomo, okay? You need a mushroom, bamboo shoot, and have the long rice. But you see, the key to this is you gotta rinse them and wash them. Get out some of the smell. When the thing is being heated up, right? All what I'm doing is I'm gonna go and make some of the basic things. So, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons shoyu, 1 tablespoon mirin, okay? And dump in some oyster sauce. Okay, just about a tablespoon. This can be my basic liquid over here. Okay, wait till the chicken cook. Okay, the chicken is about 3/4 cooked. Okay, so I add in my carrots. Okay, add in the carrots. Cook it up, and I added in this sukiyaki no tomo, okay? Inside there, and just stir it all up. See, this chicken hekka is a real old plantation dish. Okay, and you know, a lot of people in the plantation, they're adding some sake. Here's to you. Man. Add in a little chicken broth, okay, chicken broth, let it go, then I put in my seasoning, the shoyu seasoning, okay, and I let it sit there and I let it cook, and it's going to be all done. It's going to be chicken hekka, going to be really awesome. I think it's all about done. I'm going to top it off with some green onions, put it in the bowl. I made planet soup. Because, you know, in our old plantation days, we made it very soupy because we want to heat it with plenty of rice. And the rice absorbs all of the shiru. The burger look good. Let me see how it tastes. Oh, it's so good. The shiru. Oh, take me back to the old plantation days. Chicken hekka. Okay, we'll see you next week. Aloha, chicken hekka, the plantation food.